Good morning, YouTube family. It's another day. It's another morning. It's a pleasant morning. Beautiful morning here in Jamaica. It's sunny. I'm up on the outside and all of that. And I hope that wherever you are, everything is going good. Everything is going fine. You're holding the faith. I'm on the outside, so I hear the bike. I want to do a little outdoor chores today, and I want to probably take you along with me. I hope I can. I hope me not hear the music in the background and all of that. Giving thanks. You see how my head look, but guess what? I don't know, so me I will judging for a long time. You know, we're still going through this challenge and all of that and everything. So, we've got to do what we got to do. Today it's Tuesday. I think you might see this vlog probably Wednesday. So I catch you in the next clip and I'll show you what I really want to accomplish today on the outside. Today I have so much, but look here, yesterday I never come out, so I just feel like I just want to come out today and just want to do some stuff. So I'll catch you in the next clip. So guys, so family, YouTube family, ladman, them but me I go put some water inside. You know what I do? Wow. Ooh. Catching some water. I do some white clothes. Not the basin. I may have some white and half-white towel inside here, another pudding pan I want to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a little whites and washing whites. That's just part of what I want to do. So the boy come from over there, so say hi, Pops. Bon, say hi now. Hey. See him over there, so, family, him just mess up the hole of my so I never catch a clip there earlier when Dada fixed back. That's my hose. Trying to get some water. I'm sorry, I never catch a clip there when Dad affair fix up back right here. So what I'm doing? My aloe vera in a time like this, him walk down for my aloe vera. Him boy, bun, but him a wag tail. You know see him parry, family? Walk, say hi, say good morning to the people. Hold up your head. Bun. Hi. This boy don't have no behavior. I'm on the outside. Yeah. Spring, you saw the mean spring up. And yeah. Come out of my way, man. Because you don't want to say hi to the people and see you run gamble in business there. I hope you go to the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train and you will go and try if you can get a whole of lemongrass and try to get some lemongrass, because it is, I'm not sure, it is alleged then that the lemongrass can help to fight some of this thing where we are go through. And I did a video on that very channel showing you how to make lemongrass tea. So I am going to leave the link in the description of this video. YouTube family, you see how some of those things that I did, they are coming in so handy now. So see the lemongrass here. Go if you can get a whole of it. I showed you how to make a strong cup and to drink some, or drink a cup or even two every day. That not have no side effect. No, maybe nothing too tough, because with our country we are drink fever grass and lemongrass tea. Pure bush tea we drink. Never doing nothing. So also too, me just replant this because it was under here and it was dying. This is I don't remember the mean, but they call it thyme. It's a form of thyme. So I just replant that. But I'm just showing you my mint. Spring is up and it's here. It's so blooming. Yeah. On the outside, I have a little sauce up tree. I eat a bapan weave. I don't know our feet problem. About 2 years I'm going to put it this. So I don't know our feet problem. Now come much. I guess this side. You want to say hi now? Hello? Tampa. Say hello. Say hi now. Say hi. You don't want to say hi? You want to bathe, you just run up and down all over the place. And him alone now I have YouTube family. I mean, that's okay. Me and him just a pair and we're good together. Hey. Fatima wagging like a piece of tail. So I catch you in the next clip, family. Guys, I'm doing hair. I stand like a talish, you know. I'm doing like a white blouse. And this here, I'm doing like a little throw, but this thing here, it is rather furry. So I have the little bucket here. I want the wash water from it to save it because I have a white runner. Yeah, make sure me conserve my water, you know. I remember with me in the water last year. So I try to wash out these now. And then I throw the water from this, the wash water with the soap and stuff, in this for use it to wash the rug. Get a first wash and so. Some of the little light things, them I really don't put them in the machine. Like, you know, the sheet them with light and just easy. I never put them in the machine. And you know, when the sun out and all of them something there. But this thing carries a lot of force. So right over here, so now I put my kitchen towel them. They had grease in them, so I put them in some Clorox bleach. And then I put them in a soap, so I have them now. And then I go through the hot sun, I go through them. So as soon as the sun go through them, it get the water all heated and it come to a certain temperature. All them little grease mark there, we just come out. So look here. There are some things, yeah, people say old school, but when you do it the old school way, you get better result, yeah? So I'm going to soon in our next clip here. Okay, now, YouTube family, me inside, and I'm doing some laundry, eh? You can't believe stuff in my machine, this water, the ear water come down, not in the ear. Yeah, me show you. But that's the best me I get so far. So I'm going to put in a little of this, a few of these. So I'm going to put it down at the bottom of the machine. And I tell me if me I do it right. I'm an idiot. Alright, so what am I going to do now? I pause it because it have one way for I try putting some clothes. This is what I'm doing right now. I have some towel there, so I go get I might just have load that towel. I try get some clothes in the machine. Right here now, let me a sheet and towel. So them they go over this. So sheets and towels right there. So I get a little load in right here. Alright, so this is what is happening today. I wash from the and I'm going on the outside now. I'm gonna go finish that white rug. So me catch it out there. I leave these to make them go and do inside here. So and then what's this? I'm putting a dark color in there. So I'll catch you outside, family. So look here, family. I'm out. But look here, look what happened. The sun gone. And me just have dark clouds now. So most of the grease spot them burn out. But not all because the sun gone in now. Wow. And sun gone in them little spot here. Now finish burn out. So me I wonder what my foot do. Wow. The sun gone in my kitchen towel them, you know. Wow. So you see me still have the little grease spot them because the sun never stay out to get them burn out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now with these. Let me see these. I'm supposed to know them here well. Me use them on the Jamaican cookie here. These are nice, these are okay. Not like that. So I'm gonna rinse out what I can rinse out and put up. And see my rug right over there. So I'm gonna try my white rug. I go second it out. I have my piece of white throw and a little white blouse. Those were out. I did them, rinse them and leave them out. I have two more rug over there, so I did wash. So look here. I go finish up these and put them out on the line. I'm gonna leave one little load of laundry inside I do. So today is just like an inside outside laundry there, yeah. That's that. But guess what? The weather changed. I don't know. The weather is unpredictable. Look a bit. So family, I am on the rug. It is double. Me double it. Come in, I have the space to put it out. Yeah. Look up bedside runner. I put down at the foot of my bed. Yeah, it's white. So we kind of put some soap and some the water for me telling you, so I kind of do it halfway and leave it in a heat. But me go back on the inside, cause guess what? Never know something I eat from morning. I knew, but I just did not remember. So I go inside of the house and I go look something. I'm hungry. I think it's about almost near noon now. So I go look something to eat. I'm just gonna finish doing. This is real old school, you know, but me love it. I don't like to put my rugs in the machine. I really don't like it. I don't really like the idea. That over this, I try sneeze. No, I've no nothing. No, I've none of that something there. They're on the outside. Get somebody light some fire. So, eat a little of this and then I turn it on the other side. And then, just go finish and rinse it off. Come up here. You catch on the back on the outside. And the inside, I'm going to look something to eat. And all like that. So this look like it's going to be a little inside, outside, because I have stuff to do. I think I have some curtains to put in the machine too. I have to rather late start today, but look here. But I work with nobody, I'm my own thing there though. Alright family, look a bit. Lunchtime party. Sardine, Canadian, some stuff I Canada. Me do one ton for meal with it. Scotch bonnet. And I have my biscuit them. Lunchtime. And go by camera, sorry. I'm gonna drink some orange juice. It's not the natural one, but at this you can get for time being. Oh. You're gonna sport it. Lunchtime, mama. I did some more on some can them sardines and I said ton can, but I'm too hungry. My lunch that you know. Oh, look a bit.
An egg sandwich.
Yeah, then I say if I Dada I first eat for morning too.
First I'm eating.
Dada do different something for me. Dada making egg. Dada help himself. So my birthday.
It's over here, you know, take it out here.
Okay. Say hi now.
Hi family, hi.
Yeah, show them say you can help yourself, you not depend on me.
Exactly.
Alright then. Look a bit family. So family, I am through. I'm going on the outside for today. Baby. I'm through for today. On the outside. I still have some little through the sun did go in. Let me show you now. And then I have a piece of rug on this line back here. It's still dripping out. Some little piece of runner. These are my towels. I still have some little yellow, the little grease spot them, but through the because the sun went in, but the breeze is blowing now though. So this are my little whites them I'm do for today. Yeah, me accomplished enough. I'm no comment. And I still have another load for put in the machine. I stopped and did a few little things other than that though. No cooking will be involved in this vlog today. So I'm gonna get that load out, but I don't think I'll put it out for the rest of the afternoon. I'm not sure. I have enough space out here. That is how the sky look. I'm not sure. So probably just make them wait till early in the morning. So this, I'll catch you in the next clip. So I'm kinda the kitchen towel. Them have some little yellow spots still, but through the sun they got in. But them can go on for now. And next time, yeah, when the sun, I can probably boil up some hot water and put them in to get out the grease. You can see the little yellow spot in them. But I'm good with that. I can't leave. I am fresh from the bathroom. And I think I'm going to take it easy for the rest of the day. Really wet up on the outside. I forgot to treat them elbow, yeah, you know. Sometimes, you know, you rest your hand on some places. I always have that problem. It can't come off, you know, but you know, you just neglectful sometimes. So I was gonna put my feet into that like a pampering something there. Where you put your foot in now? That like something where you put your foot in now. Whatever, depends something. So let's go. I have my towel wrapped around me and this. I just have my little show. I sit on another couch here. And I'm gonna take a little 5. Catch up on 2 YouTube vlogs. So my 2 little channel I follow. Yeah, I like family vlogs, and I'm gonna catch up on some of you all when I wanna talk on WhatsApp often. From the other day, when I get to respond, I am sorry about that. My internet is, I not even talk too hard, today never too bad. I'm not talking too hard. For over a week now, but I have this not so nice internet at the light. The internet, sometimes the internet gone, sometimes the light, you know, when the light go, the internet go. So, and it's just loading. But anywho, I hope you had enjoyed today's little vlog, even it wasn't anything too exciting, but I saw it go. And every day of life exciting. We have to do for this really. So I am here, no dinner. I'm not fine. I say me have my shower, you know. No dinner. I don't even know if I'll be eating. Maybe I just have a cup of like a cup of warm Ovaltine or something, black chocolate or something, and gamble me. Because you see, all I had today, I had a cup of tea this morning. I had a cup of ginger tea prior to what you say me eat there for lunch, and then I have a few biscuits and this tin of sardine and this little thing of orange juice. That's all I've had. I'm gonna feel hungry now, nothing. And then I guess take me up now, nothing. So I'm just gonna be, pardon me, chill out for now. Work my brain, my father that said work my brain liquor, you know. Make my brain truckle. A little. Then I'm gonna go catch up on some of my WhatsApp that me I wanna talk often. I wanna not hear me answer, me not respond to no voice message. Please, I am sorry, no, please stay with me. Internet has been a little bit too much for me these days. I'm gonna look for my moisturizer for my face, definitely. But I'll do that later on. I'm here for go bed. I'm sit down yesterday, like, it's about, I would say about 5:30 in the PM now. So as I said, I hope you did enjoy what we did today. Tomorrow will be another day, and I hope that I can bring you some content. Of course, me know me go cook tomorrow. Baking is on my list. Why am I not baking? You know bake on a bun already? Comment and tell me. You're not supposed to bake on a bun already and leave it for cure. Remember, I'm telling you something, when you bake the bun fresh, it not taste nice. Bake it at least 1 week ahead. And when that Easter something they come, although some people really not in the frame of mind for that Easter something there, you know. Comment, family. Some people could care less about this Easter. But I just see them pop up with a whole bun and cheese all about a show up on the TV. Because for me, I not even know. So I might try to bake one and get one in the groove because the kids are at home. My family, I don't know, we don't care for bun and cheese like that. We don't, yeah. I'm not check so. But I might do one. I have put into bake. I want to bake bread with you. But look here, when the time is right, I think I'll do it sometime this week though. Tomorrow is going to be another day. I think tomorrow might be some kitchen curtains so me clean the window them and some of them look or something, but we'll see how it goes. I know maybe I cook tomorrow because since I did that dinner on Sunday, I haven't done any more dinner. No. That's how I do it sometimes though in the family. I don't really eat. Some people might think that I eat. Sometimes when you see me up on the mukbang them, some days for 2-3 days we don't really cook nothing. I just always try to have biscuits and, you know, just local, not even bread. I don't buy bread often. I don't buy bread often, as I've said so many times before. You know, And we can't get for God a farmer's market. Me not go down, me not have no banana, me not have no yam, me not have no Irish, no fresh vegetable. But I live. I don't know if I'll see any in the supermarket. I didn't go, like, I just went out on Saturday. And I think we have a vlog. We went, yes, we have a little vlog. It's not big, but we wanted to show you what the road looked like and all of that. So I think I'll put that together after this video or probably before. I don't know. And two, I have a little sniffle tea that I came up with, and I shared it with you on the Jamaican Debbie Street. So please go over there and check out that tea. It's not about subscribing and hitting the thumbs up button and sitting. If you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to when you go over there if you're not subscribers yet. It's not about that. I did not ask to subscribe on that video, because that video was just like a little tea, you know, for kind of see what can go on. We have to try to make some like homemade remedy, enough family. You have to try, because a serious time them, you know, so you gotta try. So look here, me think me I chat too much here now. So it's gonna be ciao for now. Stay blessed, stay love, you know. Just keep the faith up. Make sure you say a prayer and all of that, and keep the family together. So until we meet on this camera again, it's gonna be ciao.